Rule 8-200, Subrule 1, Paragraph A, Subparagraph 5, we want to calculate the sum of any electric tankless water heaters or electric water heaters that heat for steamers, swimming pools, hot tubs, spas with 100% demand factor. So all of these are at 100%. So most of these heat water. The one exception that you're going to find in others is your electric hot water tank. That one you're going to find under Rule 8-200 1A 7. And this electric water tank you're going to take at 25% of the demand factor. But all these, the electric tankless, that's the difference between these two here. This one is the big one, the cylinder, and this one here is the one that sits on the wall. It looks more like a square box. This one is at 100%. That one, 25%. And these ones here, they are also at 100%.